Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore permitting checklists using CityView Portal step by step clearly. To restore permitting checklists using the CityView Portal, begin by logging into your CityView account. Navigate to the main dashboard to access the permitting features. From the dashboard, locate the Permits section in the menu. Click on the Permits option to open the permitting overview. You will see a list of active and archived permits. Find the specific permit for which you need to restore the checklist. Use the search bar if necessary to locate the permit quickly. Once you've identified the correct permit, click on its title to open the Details page. On the Details page, look for the Documents or Checklists tab. Click on this tab to view any existing checklists associated with the permit. If the checklist is missing, look for an option labeled Restore Checklist. Click on Restore Checklist to initiate the restoration process. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the restoration. Review the details and select Confirm to proceed. The system will begin restoring the checklist, which may take a few moments. Once completed, you will receive a notification indicating the checklist has been successfully restored. Return to the Checklists tab to verify that the checklist now appears in the list. Review the restored checklist to ensure all items are present and accurate. If adjustments are needed, edit the checklist directly from this tab. Save any changes before exiting the Details page. You have now successfully restored the permitting checklists using the CityView Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.